Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot Mydfir with sonar and line following currently active, color recognition disabled for now. Last time I tried to investigate sonar, why it doesn't respond like it should. So since the conclusions were inconclusive, or more appropriately said, the results were inconclusive, I intend to continue, and I have, as you can see, two objects, and let's see whatever happens. Let me also mention that this driving robot is using the data link wireless connection, of which this is from the computer, RF data link computer side, and in here is the part on the robo interface side, programmed in Python. Well, the program is, and it is a bidirectional connection. And if you've seen this series, the former episodes, then you know that when this sonar, active sonar, responds or signals something, detects something, then this light will go, and for this one, that light will go. If it works, because last time there was also a problem that it didn't detect. But to make sure that things are detected, everything is written into a data file. So we can always check if indeed something has been detected. Anyway, enough introduction. Let's see whatever happens now. And of course I have to start the program, and it starts blinking fast, so there's connection. Oh, this goes very slowly. And that's it. Alright, let's stop it. Why is that it? I didn't see a light. So let me move this one here, this one here, and with a minimal accuracy of 2 centimeters, like this, it should see something. Let's try again. Not really. It wants to turn out its axis and is held back by the battery. And considering the speed, I think I should already replace the battery pack. So let's do that, although this one is shining very brightly. It is a freshly charged battery pack. So why this is happening, I have no clue. It's really slow now, and I don't think it's the battery pack somehow, but okay, let's move the object right here. Put the robot like here, so this is certainly a distance that it should drive in a normal way. Will it do it now? It drives. That doesn't look like it detects something at all. Alright. Last time it helped when I power cycled the robot. Let's do it again. Yeah, it signals the sonar. Does it do it? Alright. So stop and let's see what the data says. So after these rather unsuccessful tests with the sonar, let's look here. Well, it starts with sonar, but how often does that occur? That is 1, 2, that's it. So, and it's only S1. No. Only S1. Okay. So, let's do something more. It already is power cycled on a now on a distance of 20 to 30 centimeters. Let's go again, because when we look at the coda, larger than 5 centimeters is when it starts running, and then when it's smaller than 5 centimeters it's signals. So I should not expect any signal without these boundaries. It doesn't use it, it starts using it larger than 5 and signal only closer than 5. Alright, let's go. It just pushes it away, and that is the battery pack that it pushes away. It stops. Let's examine again. Interface aanwezig, meaning interface present. Nice to know. But S1 is 2 centimeters, and that's all it has. I'm now searching forward, now I'm searching backwards. It's all I have. Why is this all I have? What is with this? It really doesn't make sense at all. Why is it doing this? So let's change the location of the objects, meaning battery pack to the right side, to the right hand side, which means the other object to the left hand side, and let's see again. Is there any difference? Oh, I think I noticed something. I think it has too little power to actually go on, because now it is pushing the battery pack over, not managing it, and just stopping. So when I now, what happens when I now power it on? Alright, and it just pushes itself through and gets stuck. This is remarkable. Okay, one quick search for sonar. This time it is S2, sonar 2 that it notices. Anything else? Nope. That's the only one. Searching forward and searching backward says the same. Remarkable. Alright. Let's review. So this is the situation after the last time, and what it was doing previously was with this pushing it over like this. So, and this has gone past it, as you can see, and it was a bit stuck. So the whole thing over again, and which is which? That's, by the way, a nice thing to know, which is which. Of course, red one, so this is 1 and this is 2. So this time it noticed 2, and previously when this was there it noticed 1. So that's remarkable, it didn't even sense this one. So let's see if it again only senses this one. Okay, that's not what I want to see. Go. Yeah. No. No. It does detect properly, but it needs to follow the line. And that is not happening. Come on. Alright, now what does the data say? Again, S2 at 134, and that's the only one it detects. That's crazy, but also not nice is that it doesn't follow the line. So let me change it around. Putting it right there. Alright. Let's follow a line and detect something. Now it does at least something. It stops. What does data say? Sonar 1 at 11 centimeters. Well, that was right here when it started. Anything else? Nothing else. Just once sonar 11. Why am I not happy with this result? Alright, power cycle. Put the whole thing back. Alright, let's do it this way. And now, no data, I want to program. Alright, that's red, which is sonar 1. Yeah, no such thing as stopping, is there? the program runs on. So if I continue, what happens? It is still on the line. No, it's not. I get all result is 1, so it has lost the line. So let's put it on the line again. Objects here. And once again, mind the lamps. No lamps. Yeah, sonar 2. And something tells me, and sonar 1, somehow. But that is then a very late reaction. Okay, so I stop and let's examine the latest results in the data. So, latest results in the data. Oh, look at this. We did saw indeed S2 being blue, but when did we see it? And then twice S2 at a very close distance. Is that reliable? How reliable is it? I think I should extend this to the situation, to the condition that it is 2, because 2 is the least, is the distance that it gets unreliable. Between 0 and 2 it is unreliable. So let me do that. So no, what is this? Alright, so away, and then if t dot get d1 smaller, what is this? Get d1 smaller or equal to 2, let's say just yeah, okay, copy and paste. But also print onbetrouwbaar, unreliable, and this should be an else if, because it is the same, it is the same sensor as here, so this is an else if. And now I will actually make it one more. So now it does it. No, that's not clever. This is better. Now it does it one more time, and should do it one more time. So 5 times, 4 times instead of 3, and that says okay, now it's unreliable. And I should actually copy this and make this the same. Oh, Same thing, an easy copy and paste for D2, and then this should be, instead of 4, should be 8. Then I know if something is unreliable. So why doesn't it do anything? Copy, paste. I hate when this happens. This isn't reliable copying, and this is 4 times instead of 3. Alright. Save, out. Let's put the robot back into position somewhere along the line, and now see if there is actually something going on. That will be quite revealing, I think. So with this difference in algorithm, let's run it. Well, that is sensor 1 once. No, it only did it once. And right now I have lost contact because of a typo. So let's try again. There it goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's the normal detection. Or actually I should change the algorithm. Yeah. I should change the algorithm from the shorter than 5 than between 2 and 5. So should have thought of that earlier. No, not here. So larger than 5 and smaller than 5. Does that work? And then the other one should of course be the same for the right side. And pardon me for doing it off camera. So now it is better, or should be better. So I am putting the robot back here and let's roll. when syntax is corrected. Now it is. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3 again, 4, 2. Do I get this? No. 1. Another typo somewhere. Yes. Alright. That's the disadvantage of Python. You won't know you have a typo or error or mistake somewhere until you actually hit the spot in the code. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. So it has detected this one. Then why doesn't it stop? 1. Why doesn't it stop? Okay. Look in the data again. 129 on this side, 129. But when is it? And once again, only this side once. Doesn't make any sense. What to do? Good question. Alright, final part of this episode. To say that the results are conclusive, no. A necessary change in the algorithm hasn't shown anything yet, but that's partly because I realized that the text that I put on screen is not put in the data, so I can't check on that yet. I should have done it. Easier to find if it actually hits the condition. But then again, what else can I do? Well, what I can do, of course, also for next time, is when it hits the condition that it is when it hits the 2 centimeter mark, make it use this one. So interchangeably red and green, and the same thing for when it hits the same boundary here, use blue and green interchangeably. Then it will be much clearer when that condition is being met. For the rest, why does it arrive so slow? I don't know. The battery is still very bright. Well, the lamp is very bright, which indicates that the battery is not yet exhausted. And for the rest, conclusions, well, can't do that yet. Let's do one final test. No programming in between, just run it. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But now it runs backwards, and that it should do. So for the first time in a long time, it actually responds the way it should respond. And that is remarkable. Let me stop the code. It is remarkable that it does it. Anyway, I'm happy with this. And with that positive ending, I end this episode. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, very much appreciated. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. If so, then please retweet and like, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, like and give a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Either just on my website or with the video, depending on the pledge you make. And this is going to be continued. Bye bye.